Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about effects when your status is not showing to others. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and if you post a status and other can't see it, then maybe because you don't allow some of your contact to see your status. So first, check your status settings. And to do that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. A list of options will appear, so choose privacy. And here we got status option. Tap on it. So as you see here, by default, your contacts can see your status. But if you set your contacts accept or only share with, then some of your contacts can see your status. So this is the first reason. Another thing, now go back. Another thing why people can see your status because they don't save your contacts into their contacts. So, and the same thing, if you can't see their status, it's because you don't save their contacts in your contact. So make sure to save their name and their phone number. So that will allow you to see their status. Now, if you do all this, if you save their name and phone number and you allow your contacts to see your status and people still can see your status, then clear WhatsApp cache. And to do that, go to settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. After that, tap on manage apps. Then scroll all the way down till you get to WhatsApp app. Then tap on clear data, then clear cache. And I hope your problem will get solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.